Your Chromebook has a camera, but you might have trouble finding it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the camera on your Chromebook. When you are looking at your Chromebook screen, I want you to notice this little circle down in the bottom left corner. When you click there, it'll bring up a search. The first time, you're going to type camera in right here. After that, you might see this icon come up automatically and you can just click it. But once you search for camera, you're going to click on the camera icon and it'll open up the camera screen. Now notice you could make a video, you could make a square photo or a regular picture. In this case, we just want a regular photo. So I'm going to center my image and I'm going to click the camera button. You have some other options over here that might be helpful. You'll notice I opened the Chromebook all the way up so that it's pointing at the ceiling. That's an easier way to be able to see on your screen what you're taking a picture of. Make sure that you have good light and that you can get a clear picture. When you're ready, push this button and it'll pop up a little window right here. I want you to notice if you're going to be pasting your picture into something like a Google Slides maybe, you could just click copy to clipboard and then paste it in somewhere later. But if you're not, if you're going to need it later, you want to look at show in folder right here. When you click there, it's going to show you exactly where your screenshot or your picture has been saved. In this case, it's been saved in my drive, and that's probably where your picture is going to save too. I just want you to take a note to see where it's saving. After you've noticed where it's saved, you're ready to go into whatever application you need, maybe a Google Classroom assignment or something, and add that picture from your drive. Hope that helps.